Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from Apple that's been making waves in the tech world. Get ready to experience the future with the introduction of Apple Vision Pro, Apple's first spatial computer. In this video, we'll dive into all the groundbreaking features and innovations of this revolutionary device that seamlessly blends digital content with the physical world. So, let's get started. Introducing Apple Vision Pro, Apple's first spatial computer. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the era of spatial computing with the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro. This incredible device allows you to stay present and connected while immersing yourself in a world where digital and physical seamlessly merge. Apple Vision Pro in action. With its unique design and cutting-edge technology, Apple Vision Pro introduces a fully three-dimensional user interface controlled by your eyes, hands, and voice. The visionOS, the world's first spatial operating system, empowers you to interact with digital content in a way that feels tangibly present in your space. Vision Pro's ultra-high-resolution display. Feast your eyes on the breakthrough design of Vision Pro, featuring an ultra-high-resolution display system that packs a staggering 23 million pixels across two displays. This custom Apple silicon-powered device ensures that every experience feels like it's unfolding right in front of your eyes, in real time. Home view on Apple Vision Pro. Built on the foundations of macOS, iOS, and iPadOS, visionOS is the game-changing operating system that seamlessly merges digital content with the physical world. It offers an infinite canvas for apps, liberating them from the confines of traditional displays. With Vision Pro, you can enjoy infinite screen real estate, access your favorite apps, and multitask like never before. Please remember to like and subscribe for more informative news from our channel. Apple Vision Pro Productivity Apps. Boost your productivity with Apple Vision Pro's immersive workspace. The three-dimensional interface allows apps to fill your space, be moved effortlessly, and scale to perfection. They even react to lighting conditions and cast realistic shadows, enhancing the immersive experience. Movies with Apple Vision Pro. Entertainment takes on a whole new dimension with Apple Vision Pro. Transform any space into your personal movie theater with a screen that feels an astonishing 100 feet wide. Immerse yourself in stunning three-dimensional movies, high-resolution recordings with spatial audio, and a vast library of immersive videos that transport you to entirely new places. Immersive environments with Apple Vision Pro. Expand your world beyond the physical with Apple Vision Pro's immersive environments. Whether you need to focus or reduce clutter in a busy space, these dynamic, beautiful landscapes will help you achieve the perfect ambience. Simply twist the digital crown to control your level of immersion. Please remember to like and subscribe for more informative news from our channel. Photos and videos with Apple Vision Pro. Relive your cherished memories in a whole new way with Apple Vision Pro's three-dimensional camera. Capture spatial photos and videos that transport you back to those special moments, like celebrations with friends and family gatherings. Explore your entire photo library in iCloud, viewing your photos and videos at a life-size scale with breathtaking color and detail. FaceTime with Apple Vision Pro. Connect with your loved ones in a whole new dimension through FaceTime with Apple Vision Pro. Experience life-size tiles that reflect all participants, and enjoy the spatial audio that makes it feel as if they're right beside you. Collaboration and shared experiences have never been this immersive. Please remember to like and subscribe for more informative news from our channel.